Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to auto delete old messages on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down till you see the messages app right here, so just tap on that. Once you're here, just scroll down again till you see the option called keep messages. So tap on that and you will see three options right here. So on default it is set to forever, but you could set it to 1 year or 30 days. So keeping messages for 30 days or 1 year will permanently delete older messages. So let's say you just want it for 30 days, and here it will prompt you to delete it. So it says that messages older than 30 days will be permanently deleted and you can't undo this action. So just type or tap on delete if you want to delete it, and it will be done. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.